students, open your English textbook on page number 80. In this session, I am going to teach you a very interesting and new lesson. Lesson number 10, Rip Van Winkle. What is the name of lesson? Rip Van Winkle. Okay. Students, in this story, we met one person. That person name is Rip Van Winkle. And through this, according to this story, we are going to know about that Rip Van Winkle. Okay? I will read the story one paragraph by one. I will explain you also. So open your textbook on page number 80 and listen carefully. Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man. He slept the whole day. His wife tried her best to get Rip Van Winkle to take up a job. When he did get a job, he was asked to leave because he slept too much. Isn't it a funny story, student? Means in this lesson we met one person who Rip Van Winkle. How his nature is? He is very lazy. Lazy means not active. Okay. He slept whole day. Every time he wants to sleep. Okay. His wife tried her best to get Rip Van Winkle to take up a job. His wife always asked to Rip Van Winkle to go for a job. But whenever Rip Van Winkle got the job, he asked to management for the leave, for the holiday. Why he want the holiday? Why he want the leave? Only because he wants to sleep. Okay, what happens? See the next paragraph. One day, Rip Van Winkle, tired of his wife telling him to get a job, ran up a mountain with his favorite companion, his dog. He reached the top, crossed a stream, went a spot where nobody ever came, and he sat down there. He had never had so much exercise in his life. See students, what happened? We know that Rip Van Winkle want to sleep whole day. He wants to sleep every time. And what happened? His wife asked him every time about a job. So one day he became tired because of his wife asking always about the job. He got frustrated, and so Rip Van Winkle ran away from the house with his best companion. What is the name, or who is that best companion of Rip Van Winkle? Dog. Dog is the best companion of Rip Van Winkle. Both they ran up to the mountains. They crossed the streams. They went to a spot. They went up very high mountain and fixed a spot where nobody came there. Means they want privacy. They want that Rip Van Winkle want privacy for the purpose of sleeping. Okay, and Rip Van Winkle ran away towards the mountain, and because of that, when Rip Van Winkle climbed the mountain, he did exercise which that much exercise he never did in his life. So what happened? See the next paragraph or next page, page number 81. He was just getting back his breath when he heard someone call his name. Rip Van Winkle. Strange. Nobody knows me here. Then who is calling me? Thought Rip Van Winkle. He turned around and saw a funny-looking man carrying a big barrel. The funny-looking man said, "Please help me carry this barrel to my friends a little below the stream." And that we know that Rip Van Winkle chose a spot where nobody came to disturb him while he is sleeping. And when he reached at the top of mountain, he became very tired and only listened the sound of breathing. Breathing means what? We know the process of breathing means taking oxygen inhale or carbon dioxide exhale. This is breathing, called as breathing. The Rip Van Winkle only listened the sound of breathing. But suddenly what happened? Someone calling to him, "Rip Van Winkle." And that Rip Van Winkle became surprised. This is a new spot, this is a new place. And here we are, that Rip Van Winkle is totally unknown about everyone. But who is calling here me? So that Rip Van Winkle became surprised. So he turned towards the back and he saw a very funny man carrying big barrel and asked for the help to carry that barrel to his friend a little below the stream. Understood? Remaining part we will learn in the next session. Okay? Thank you.